Hey guys! Today we are going to be making slime, and today I am here with my cousins Max and Macy and my sister Lexi. And just so you know, this is my first video, and I'm Kylie. Let's just get straight into the video.
And this is purple spoon.
Alright, so first we need glue. I got this for my kid. Squirt. Oh. It is funny today.
Okay, that's not enough. That's
Okay.
really enough.
Alright, so then we are going to put some food coloring in. Well, it's actually paint, but who cares? Okay, ready? Mix, mix, mix.
Oh my
I
God.
love this. I love this color. It's so pretty.
Pinky pink.
It's so
Now we
pretty.
need
That's what I wanted.
Okay, so then we want it to be foamy. So we're gonna add some soap. Soapio. And we want it to smell good, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
totally.
No,
I
that's
smell
enough.
it. It gotta smell like strawberry, I think.
Probably
No, it
orange.
No, strawberry.
Orange, because this is
Strawberry.
orange soap.
Okay.
And lime, I guess.
It
Smells
so good.
I love it.
and
It smells like
I love the
oranges.
sparkle idea.
And we're also going to do some Wait, Kylie did that.
Sparkles.
Alright, then we're gonna add some shaving cream.
That's
weird shaving cream.
Yeah, well, that's enough, I think.
Are you going to put the whole thing in there? Okay.
No, not the whole thing.
Stop talking.
Okay.
Kids are crazy. Oh my gosh, it's actually coming together without the activator. Do you guys see that? It's so cool. It's coming together without the activator. Oh my gosh, and we didn't even add the sparkles in. That's crazy, right guys?
Yeah.
Sparkles, sparkles.
It looks sparkly.
It's going to
Those
be
are
crazy.
so pretty.
We
Look
need
at
more
those.
shaving cream.
I think we added enough
Those
shaving cream.
sparkles. I think that's what
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's coming together without the activator.
I can't
I'm gonna give this video a huge thumbs up. This is
And subscribe
awesome.
if you like. If you don't, don't subscribe.
And just turn off the video.
Don't turn off the video yet. This is the best. It's so stretchy and it's awesome. I love it. It's awesome. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and it's so funny.
It's so